Most experts know that they should be keeping up with what's happening in their industry, but the problem is time. There's so many articles out there, newsletters, LinkedIn feeds. It's really difficult to know what to pay attention to. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool called Google Workspace Studio that can use AI to help curate information for you and deliver a briefing into your inbox every day. The goal isn't more news, it's a 3-minute briefing that covers what actually matters. By the end of it, we hope to receive an email like this every day with a morning briefing of some up-to-date information in our industry with titles, what's happened, why it matters to us, and a link in case we want to read more information about that. If you already use Google Workspace, you'll likely have this option at the top that allows you to go to the studio directly, so you can click Do More in Studio. If you haven't got that, the link to access it is studio.workspace.google.com. We're going to generate a system that uses 2 prompts, one to research what's out there on the web, and the second curates that and puts it into a daily briefing that sends it to your inbox. So let's go ahead and start this. We're going to click on the plus icon on the left-hand side here to create a new automation. And we're going to create our starter on a schedule here. So we'll choose on a schedule, and let's say weekdays at 8 a.m. So that gives you some options here. And what it's done here is saying every weekday at 8 a.m. and you can set when it ends. So I'm just going to say never. This is just our cadence for this agentic workflow. So we've got that set now. And what we do after this is just add steps that we want it to progress through each time it runs. So I'm going to click on choose a step. And this one is going to ask Gemini. And I'm going to firstly paste in prompt 1. And we'll give access to these prompts in the description below. I'll just quickly skim through this. So we're telling it to find information in a particular industry. So I'm going to say AI for subject experts. It's saying what to search for, in what order, what to exclude, so we don't want opinion pieces and generic commentary, and it's showing what the format should be. So what we're wanting is a headline, the source, what has happened, and why it matters to us. At the bottom here, we can say where it sources this information from. I'm only going to look for this on the web. I don't want to look for it in my own Google Workspace. That's step 1. We'll add another step now, which takes this information and curates it and processes it into a brief that we can use. So I'm just going to paste in my second prompt now. Again, this is an Ask Gemini type prompt. We're asking AI for information here. And this one is taking the briefing information that it's received in the previous step and putting it into a certain structure and ensuring that this is something that we can digest in under 3 minutes. One key thing we need to do here is paste in the output from prompt 1. And to do this, we move the cursor here to where we want it to be added. And if we scroll down, we've got the option here to include variables. And we've got step 2, and we can click on the created content that's been created by Gemini here. So we can see that we've got this variable included here. Finally, what I'm going to do is click Add Step. And now I want this to notify me by email. And I can choose the subject. If I wanted to, I could push in variables and make it so that the subject line changes if I want to. But I'm just going to say Mark's Daily Briefing. And in here, all I'm going to do is choose variables, and then it's step 3 that we want to include here. You could also include some context around this if you wanted to as well. Now we've got that set up, I'm going to do a test run. And we can see that that's running through the steps now. When I click start, it will do. It's going to curate that information using Gemini, process it, and then send me an email. So as we can see, this has come through now. We've got our email titled Mark's Daily Briefing, and we've got some information about what's going on, what happened, what this means, and links. So naturally, this prompt can be customized for your own needs. And if you want different information, then that's all possible. But you can see here the power of this process. We've got our information sourced via AI and delivered directly to our inbox. The last thing we need to do is give this a title. So I'll say Mark's Daily News Feed, and I'm going to click Turn On. Each morning at 8 o'clock, I'll receive this curated news feed directly to my inbox. There are a few things to be careful of here. The first is leaving your prompts too open. What you need to do is use something like the prompts that we've created here to really structure what you want to get back. Otherwise, you could just get noise. Secondly, you need to make sure you try and summarize everything. Without doing this, it will just end up with a big wall of text and it will be really difficult to digest. What you want is something that you can quickly skim over in 3 minutes and then move on. And the last is ignoring the source links. It's really important that you have something that you can pin all of this information back to, just so you can make sure that it's genuine and something that if you are interested in finding a bit more information about, you can go down and look a bit more detail. Think of this as a monitoring system and not as a replacement for your judgment. Summaries are naturally going to miss some of the nuance from time to time, and primary sources still matter. But systems like this are becoming a standard for business knowledge, not because of AI itself, but because structured information helps you be aware of things earlier. Experts who run intelligence systems like this tend to be the first and quickest to react to things. As I've mentioned, we've included the prompts that I included in the Gemini Studio flow here. If you do want to use them yourself, click the link in the description below and you'll be able to access those.